everybody, Heather here, recording to you from my iPad. That is right. You can do screen recordings right from your iPad, which is awesome. So I'm sitting in front of my iPad and I can swoosh and show you lots of different things and talk you through all of it. How in fact can I make this screen recording? Let me explain it to you. So in iOS 11, the iPad has this great function called screen recording. And when you swipe up from the bottom, you'll notice right around here, these tools to the right are part of your control panel. Now you see the red button flashing? That's my screen recording button. And to make sure that I actually have that button turned on, I have to begin in my settings and go to control panel. As I scroll down here, if I look at my control panel, if I customize the controls, I have the option of what appears in that control panel when I swipe up. So you'll notice that I have screen recording here at the top. Things that I want to add to the top or move, I simply can hit the minus to take them away. For instance, if I minus the magnifier, it goes back down to the bottom, okay? And if I plus the magnifier, now it comes back up to the control panel. So the first thing I did was made sure screen recording was turned on here in my settings in my control panel, step one. Now if I press my home screen and go back, now how in fact do I operate the screen recorder? Well, it's not too tough. I swipe up and I simply click the button. Now I have to warn you, the first time I did this, I got no audio. If you want to have audio go with your screen recording, you have to hold the button with your finger for a little menu to pop up, in which case you then have to click on the microphone to make sure you have audio. That is all there is to it. The minute I click that red flashing dot and stop my screen recording, it is automatically going to save it in my camera roll, and then I can very easily shoot it from my camera roll to my Google Drive or to just about anywhere I want it. Okay? That's how to screen record through your control panel in new iOS 11 on your iPad. That's great. See you later.